Well, hello there. It's your girl, Jessica, and I just wanted to come to you and thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for an amazing 9.5 years. If you're new um, to us and to me, I thank you. And if you've been with us for a long time, I thank you. You know, it all started out in Jamaica with this little oil, with me and Nigel and our love story. And the love story's come to an end. And the business has too. So I just wanted to thank you for, having faith in us, and in me, you know. And it's taken me a while to do this video because this is very emotional for me. I'm gonna really be straight with you. We started the business in Jamaica 9 years ago, and it all started with Nigel cracking that little almond and that oil coming out and me seeing it and saying, oh my God, this is gold. This is magic. I rubbed the almond on my face and I was like, ah. And we shared it with some people back in 2013, and then they shared it with some people, and then they shared it with some people, and then we made more, and it just went on and on. And we came to an impasse this past last year, and decided to go our separate ways. So trying to think of all the questions that everyone has asked me over the past month, and one of them is, is Nigel gonna keep making the oil? And that's a good question. If you find out, let me know. There hasn't been any made for quite some time, and so I've just been chugging along. As you can see, I've been making bath bombs, sugar scrubs, loofah soaps, what else over there? Sugar scrub, body butters, everything. And it's been really a joy. It's been a real joy to me. And I'm going to keep doing it. But I just need a chance to make closure on this right here and then to move on. So thank you for your patience. Thank you for your love. I just don't know what else to say. I just want to thank you. I just want to thank you. And I won't let you down. I'm going to be putting together some classes to teach people how to make these things that I make. And we're just going to, see what the universe has for the next chapter of life. And I just really want to thank you. I want to thank you. So feel free to reach out. I took down all the social media. It was just a lot for me, and just time for me to kind of take a sabbatical, a radical sabbatical. So thank you again. And I'm going to have one last final sweep of a sale because I do have quite a little bit of product left. So I'm just going to turn on the 50% off. It'll be 50% off the whole site. You have to spend at least $50 because it's a lot for one person to put out all the orders, and I'm not complaining, but I just want to make sure that everyone gets served, and I'm serving myself in the meantime. So thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And I'll be in touch via email, and I will definitely see you back in the fall with my new look and new new adventure. So thank you so much. And talk to you soon. Bye-bye.